This tutorial will show you how to master the Universal Event Scraper by Techforce Global, the ultimate all-in-one solution for extracting high-quality event data from across the web in record time. Stop jumping between platforms to find event data. In this guide, we'll show you how to use Techforce Global's Universal Event Scraper to pull data from 4 major sources in one single workflow. Start by heading to the Apify platform, the home of professional-grade web automation. In the search bar, type Techforce Global to bring up our library of specialized automation actors. Click Try It Now to begin exploring the power of our scraping tools with a free trial. Meet the Universal Event Scraper. This all-in-one tool is engineered to handle dynamic content and extract data from AllEvents, EventsEye, District, and Meetup all at the same time. Click Try for free to launch the actor and start your first event extraction. You'll be taken to your Apify console, the command center for managing your automated tasks. Click here to customize your scraping parameters and target the exact events you need. Click AllEvents.in to include this event source in your scraping configuration. Enable eventseye.com to include global trade shows and professional exhibitions in your results. Add district.in to your run to scrape trending lifestyle and nightlife data. Finally, select meetup.com to pull networking events and local interest groups into your data set. Now, let's define our geography. Click Location to set your target city. We'll enter Chicago to find every relevant event happening in the Windy City. Next, we'll set the volume. Click Max Events per source to control your output. We'll set this to 20 for this demo, giving you a total of 80 high-quality leads across all 4 platforms in seconds. Everything is set. Click Save Start and let the Universal Event Scraper handle the complex multi-source extraction for you. Once finished, your results are ready. You can now browse your consolidated event data in a clean, organized table format. Click any event link to verify the deep link details and descriptions extracted by the scraper. For developers and data scientists, click JSON to see the clean, structured data ready for your backend. Ready to take your data to go? Click Export to view your download options. Select JSON for seamless integration into your custom applications or scripts. Choose CSV to instantly turn your event data into a mailing list or CRM-ready file. Use the XML option for compatibility with various enterprise data systems. Or download directly as an Excel file for easy manual sorting and event planning. Click Download to save your multi-source event leads to your local device. Thank you. You've just seen how easy it is to automate multi-platform event research with Techforce Global. Save hours of manual work and get the data you need in one run. Visit the Apify store and try the Universal Event Scraper today.